Motorcycles are a fun way of moving from one point to another. Gaining control over a two-wheeler is something a beginner on wheels can do. Today we are bringing to you 5 easy stunts that can be performed on a powered motorcycle. However, make sure that you are wearing all the safety gears while practicing any motorcycle stunts, as losing control may result in serious injury. Seek the guidance of a professional while practicing the following tricks. 1. The wheelie stunts. This is one of the easiest stunts that you can perform with a motorcycle. You will need a powerful motorcycle. The wheelies can be performed while riding the motorcycle in first gear at a speed below 20 km/h. 2. The Stoppie. This can be performed with a motorcycle that have a front disc brake. A stoppie can be practiced while doing slow speed of around 20 to 25 km/h. Rolling Stoppie. This is an advanced version of the stoppie. Rolling stoppie happens when you do a stoppie and hold it for a few meters. Release the front brake just a little so that the motorcycle starts moving. 4. The burnout. The burnout produces a lot of smoke, creating a dramatic scenario. You can do a burnout in any motorcycle with good front brake. If your brakes are not good enough, line up yourself against a wall for support. 5. The donuts. This is a burnout with next level of skill set. Donuts can be performed while doing burnout and slowly sliding the motorcycle so that the rear wheel makes a complete circle. The expressions of motorcycle stunting on public roads. Stunting on public roads is a complete no-no, and the acts should be practiced under controlled situation. Make sure that you are wearing all the safety gears while riding any motorcycle.